Number one liquid to restore function. Yes, restore function. So I'm not going to use the word biohacking anymore, because biohacking is all temporary stuff, right? I don't want to hack your body. I want to restore function in your body. So number one liquid, you're not going to be surprised. It's something that you see probably every in the morning, and it's right here. It's in this teapot right here. Guess what it is? Look at it. It's water. It's water. You're like, yeah, I know water's important to me, right? Yes, water's super important, but when you drink it is also very important. So one restoring function tip that I do and my family does every single morning is we drink 8 ounce, at least 8 ounces. I usually drink 16 ounces or even more of warm water. You don't need to add anything to it. Can you add something? Yes, you can. Drink is warm water. Like you're gonna make tea. That's why I put the tea kettle, right? I gotta make tea. Warm water every morning after you go use the restroom. Go drink warm water, 8 ounces every day, and that will start flushing and restoring function, clearing out your system, help you to urinate, to eliminate toxins that you've processed while you were sleeping. Super important. Make sure you hit the follow button, because you know you want more of these restoring function